Ready to see what happens when woodworking tools go from pretty good to why didn't this exist sooner? Today, we're showing you 15 of the coolest Woodpeckers tools that will level up the way you work. Like one that replaces your jig drawer with a single sliding setup, locks in any angle you need, right on the table saw. And another that makes drill press angles so precise, it feels like cheating. And that's just the start. Let's check out the rest. Let's start with something that quietly solves a problem almost every woodworker runs into: how to draw a clean, accurate line around corners. The folding saddle squares make that simple. You just drop it on the edge, and the line keeps going, right around the corner. No break, no guessing. It's one move instead of a whole process. And when you're working on tenons or lining up cross dowel joints, that kind of accuracy really matters. Even a small mismatch can throw things off. Now here's the clever bit. Woodpeckers machines both sides after the whole thing is assembled, so those two faces stay perfectly aligned from the hinge all the way to the edge. You're not dealing with gaps or a wobbly joint. That hinge moves smooth, but it holds steady, which keeps your layout right on target every time. They come in two sizes, so whether you're in a tight space or working across a bigger panel, you've got the reach. Simple idea, done right. And once you start using one, you'll wonder how you ever marked corners without it. Next up, let's look at something that's kind of the opposite. Instead of helping you mark things, it helps you match anything. Now let's check out the SFPRO Universal Router Table Fence. This one's packed with features woodworkers have been asking for, like full fence micro adjustment and a mounting system that works with almost any router table. If your table has track spacing from 16 3/4 to 27 7/8 inches, you're good to go. Once it's set, it stays locked in. What really stands out is the third micro adjuster in the center. It moves the whole fence with 0.001 inch precision. And since it rides on ball bearings, it stays perfectly aligned. No racking at all. Both infeed and outfeed sides are also micro adjustable, and the dials show both inch and metric markings. You can dial in your cuts smoothly without messing up alignment. Adjustments are quick and tool-free, thanks to the knurled knobs and ratcheting levers. You also get sacrificial MDF faces, a clean dust port, and compatibility with super track stops and featherboards. If you've been wanting a router fence that works across different tables and gives precise control, this is it. Up next is something built to help you clamp smarter. Tired of building a new jig for every project? The Joinery Sled might be just what you've been waiting for. It works on both router tables and table saws, and the setup is rock solid. You've got tons of adjustability, angle, position, clamping, you name it. The work table glides smooth and stays square, thanks to 4 hidden bearings and a smart sliding base. There's micro adjustment built in, which lets you move the table just a hair at a time. Perfect for getting those joinery cuts exactly where you want them. And if your mitre slots are a bit worn, the patented spring-loaded mitre bar still fits snug. You can adjust from 44 degrees to 91 degrees, so angled cuts, half laps, sliding dovetails, even castle joints are all on the table. It comes with pivot clamps, a sacrificial fence, and a racket for easy storage. So if you're on a table saw or router table, this sled just works. It's precise, fast, and super easy to use. For cleaner edges or tighter joints, these ultra shear chamfer bits can handle both. They come in 4 angles: 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. So you're not just stuck with the usual look. You can add some style or even make miter joints for triangle, square, hex, or octagon-shaped boxes. They work great on a router table, but you can also use them handheld for bigger pieces. And if you cut your board square and to the same length, these bits give super clean, accurate miter joints. No need to fuss around with saw angles. You can choose between 2 flute or 3 flute bits. The 2 flute ones are more affordable and still do a great job. The 3 flute ones give smoother results and let you work a bit faster. If you're working with thicker wood, up to 3/4 inch, go with the 1/2 inch shank. For thinner stock, there's also a 1/4 inch shank version with an extra 67.5 degrees option. These are just sharp bits that get the job done. Now this one is a classic. Woodpeckers is bringing back the 12-in-1 tool, based on a design from way back in 1927. It's compact, smart, and replaces a bunch of tools we usually reach for: T-square, tri-square, bevel gauge, compass, and more. It has 2 stainless steel scales, joined by a thumb wheel, which lets you set it up just how you need. Whether you're marking, measuring, or transferring angles, this tool handles it all. It works great for layout cuts, checking corners, measuring diameters, or even finding center points. Everything's spot on. Laser engraved markings, CNC machined parts, and a build that feels solid in hand. And since it's made in the USA, you know it's made to last. If you're all about precision and you want something that actually makes work easier, this one's a no-brainer. It fits in your pocket, but does the job of a whole drawer full of tools. Need a safer, easier way to make short, repeatable crosscuts? Woodpeckers new. Add an inch block is a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. You just clamp it to your rip fence, ahead of the blade. That offset keeps your cut pieces from getting trapped between the blade and the fence, so it's a safer setup right out of the gate. But here's the clever part. The block is exactly 1 inch thick. So when you're setting your rip fence, just add an inch to your measurement, and you're dialed in. Perfect for batching out a pile of identical cuts without having to measure every time. It's machined from solid aircraft-grade aluminum, anodized in classic Woodpeckers red, and designed to work with standard track clamps or mount right to the super track on your fence. Strong, precise, and ready to go. If you're into safe, repeatable cuts without the hassle, the Add an Inch block is a smart little tool that earns its spot in your shop. Angles look cool, but setting them right? That's where the trouble usually starts. That's why you need the Woodpecker's drill press protractor. It takes the guesswork out of angled setups, especially when you're working on things like splayed legs, angled joinery, or just adding some character to a piece. With this tool, locking in the exact angle is fast and dead accurate. It's got a vernier scale that reads down to 5 minutes of a degree. One side shows degrees and minutes, the other breaks it into quarter-degree marks, so you can pick whatever works best for the job. Drop it into the chuck, feed the quill down to the table, match the angle, and you're set. Getting back to square is just as quick. Set it to 0, realign the table, done. But it's not just for drill presses. You can use it on bandsaw tables, miter gauges, even for hand-cut joinery setups with a bevel gauge. Built from stainless steel and anodized aluminum, this thing's made to last. Clean, solid, and easy to use. If you've been eyeballing angles and hoping for the best, the drill press protractor is the fix you've been waiting for. Saw blades aren't cheap, and those carbide teeth, super brittle when they're off the saw, so they need to be covered while they're just sitting on the shelf. That's where Woodpecker's Blade Saver is, for it's a wraparound blade guard that protects every tooth and doubles as a hanger. And the best part, you don't even have to touch the sharp edge to use it. Just lay the blade flat, snap Blade Saver around the rim, latch the master link, and hang it up. Done. It works kind of like a bike chain, flexing and locking right around the blade. Whether you're hanging them on a pegboard, cabinet door, or shop wall, each blade stays safely stored and easy to grab. And since it fits snug around each blade, there's no rubbing, no metal on metal, and no dulling over time. Blade Saver is molded from tough ABS plastic, so it'll handle the wear and tear of a busy shop for years. It comes in 2 sizes, one for 10-inch blades and one for 12-inch. So whether you run a job site saw or a cabinet saw, you're covered. If you're serious about keeping our gear sharp and safe, Blade Saver just makes sense. Clamp pressure is great. Clamp marks? Not so much. So this one, the Woodpecker's Clamp Pal, is a simple fix that saves a lot of headaches during glue-ups. These little right-angle pads act as a barrier between your project and the clamp. So there's no more rust stains from old pipes, no glue blotches, and no dents from rough clamp heads. Just clean, protected work pieces every time. Clamp Pals work with 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch pipe clamps, plus parallel jaw clamps. You just drop them on the edge, set the clamp, and get to work. That's it. They protect in 3 ways. First, the bar side keeps rust and scale away from the wood. Second, the clamp head side spreads out pressure. so there's no crushing. And third, that hollow corner, it saves delicate miters and detailed edges from getting chewed up. They're made from tough yet flexible TPV plastic, which holds up well under serious pressure, but still goes easy on the wood. You can even use a bit of double-sided tape to keep them in place during tricky setups. It works like a charm. No more messing with tape, blocks, or creative clamp hacks. Clamp pals are just the smarter way to clamp with confidence. When you're dialing in a table saw, accuracy matters, but the setup doesn't need to be complicated. Here's a tool that makes fence alignment simple: the Woodpecker's Simple Set Fence Gauge. It gives you a clean, physical reference between the miter slot and the rip fence. No batteries, no digital screens, just a rock-solid gauge you can trust, whether you're checking fence alignment, blade parallel, or repeating cuts. You just drop it into the miter slot, slide the stainless steel probe over until it taps the fence, lock it in with the thumb wheel, and there it is. That point becomes your reference. Want to double-check the blade too? Same process. Easy. Even if you want to get super precise, a simple feeler gauge can do the trick. No fuss, no guesswork. The body is CNC machined from aluminum, the probe rod is stainless, and the touch-off tip is solid brass. It's all built clean, tough, and made to last. Just like everything from Woodpeckers, it's proudly made and inspected in Strongsville, Ohio. If you've been using folded paper or scrap wood to dial in your fence, this is a major step up. Simple, solid, and dead on every time. Some projects are just too big for a regular square to handle. That's when you might need the Woodpecker's Precision Triangle. It's got the familiar feel of a carpenter's square, but it's milled from solid tool plate aluminum and built to meet the standards you trust for fine woodworking. Whether you're laying out a cabinet panel or checking square on a furniture assembly, this triangle gives the size and accuracy you need. They come in two sizes, 12-inch and 18-inch, and both give you a solid 90 degrees and 45 degrees angle to work with. The edge has a removable base, so you can hook it right on a board for layout work. And when you're checking for square or setting up machinery, just pop the base off, lay it flat, and dial it in. The angles are so precise, the maximum deviation is less than half the thickness of a hair, even at the outer edge of the big 18-inch triangle. That means you can trust it when it matters most. And just like Woodpecker's other reference tools, this one's made in Strongsville, Ohio, and goes through a full optical inspection before it lands in our hands. You can grab it in inch or metric, solo, or as a set. And yes, there's a case option if you want to keep it dialed in for the long haul. Pushing and pulling the router across a giant slab? Yeah, we've all done it. It works. But it's not exactly easy on the back. That's why you might like using the Woodpecker's EZ Drive system. It works with any Woodpecker's slab flattening mill, no matter which version or how old it is. And if you're picking up a new Slab Flattening Mill Pro, you can get it bundled with EZ Drive right out of the gate. The whole system runs on cogged belts, so the movement stays smooth and controlled the whole time. You still get all the original features you count on, but now with better precision and way less effort. It's great for long jobs. You get more done, feel easier on the body, and every pass stays consistent across the whole surface. So if you're flattening big slabs often, or even just want a smarter workflow, it's worth upgrading to EZ Drive. Once you try it, it's hard to go back. Sometimes, all you need is just a couple quick strokes with a small saw. Like clean up a notch, flush cut a dowel, and dragging out the jigsaw for that. Not worth it. That's where the Jigsaw blade handle comes in. It's a super simple little tool that grips any standard jigsaw blade and turns it into a quick go-to handsaw. No cords, no batteries, no fuss. Need to trim a tenon, clean up a slot, cut the waste off a dovetail. This thing's ready in seconds, and light enough to keep right in your apron pocket. You machine the handle from aircraft-grade aluminum and pair it with a stainless steel blade holder. The whole thing feels solid, precise, and comfortable in your hand. And yeah, it's finished in that classic Woodpecker's red. Whether you're in the middle of a build or just doing a quick cleanup, this tiny tool saves you time and effort without reaching for power. Simple, smart, and surprisingly useful. Ever wrestle with a pen blank that just won't trim square? Grab the pen Mill Sai, slide it on, and watch it slice both ends perfectly flush. It cleans up your pen blanks with smooth, effortless cuts. Even on those crazy tough woods like lignum vitae, you get clean, accurate ends that are ready to turn. The secret is in the design. It uses nano-grain carbide inserts with 4 razor-sharp edges. When one dulls, just rotate it. No sharpening, no downtime. And with a bigger cutting head than others, it clears the full face of a 1/4-inch blank without leaving a halo. Inside the tube, glue residue and burrs are gone thanks to the fluted pilot reamers. They guide everything straight and keep the cut square every time. And with 12 size options, almost every pen kit is covered. So if you want your pen projects to start off right, clean, square, and ready to go, the pen Mill Sai is one of those tools that just makes sense to have in the shop. Ever struggled to get your saw angles just right? Here's the Polygauge SS, and it gives you 5 exact angles milled into solid stainless steel. It's not adjustable, which is the point. It's locked, accurate, and made for setting machines the right way on the first try. You just drop it on your table, and it registers flat every time. No wobble, no guesswork. And since the reference edges sit just over a 1/4 inch above the surface, it avoids the usual nonsense with table inserts or rounded edges. Need to bevel a blade or tweak your joint or fence? No problem. Just pop off the magnetic knob and stand the gauge upright. It stays put while you get hands-on with the setup. So if your angled cuts have been hit or miss, this is a no-fuss fix. Polygauge SS keeps it sharp, solid, and simple. So those were 15 woodworking tools from Woodpeckers. Which one did you find most useful? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tool news and reviews.